Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by resetting physical habits so speech can follow. First, record a 1-minute baseline to know what to change. Then relax jaw and shoulders, inhale a steady half breath, and place attention on the first consonant. Once done, slow your rate to about 60% of usual speed and articulate deliberately. You'll feel stumbles turn into manageable beats. Make sure to keep posture open and eyes up so your airway and confidence stay aligned as you proceed. You now deepen control with targeted drills to rewire timing and tension. Start 5-minute syllable chaining and gentle onset exercises, moving from isolated sounds to whole words. Once comfortable, alternate fast and slow repetitions in 3 sets to build flexibility and stamina. Then recruit a partner for paired talker practice using predictable sentences so you get immediate feedback and reduced pressure. As you progress, make sure to focus on smooth transitions between sounds and to monitor tension. Relax the throat and reset breathing between phrases. You finish by bringing skills into real speech so gains stick. Move from rehearsed lines to reading aloud, then try a 2-minute spontaneous talk using the same gentle onsets and pacing. Once done, review your recordings weekly and tweak speed or onset pressure as needed. Progress is gradual. If you hit persistent blocks, step back to breathe and gentle onset drills, cut your rate further, and practice with a supportive listener. Remember, small resets during a conversation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.